The wad itself reached 9 inches, almost 4 times the depth of the actual birdshot. Upon further review, birdshot only got about 4 inches. So you can see from here, I'm trying to put light on it. The majority of the birdshot stopped at 4 inches. Only a few got past 4 inches. So an extraordinarily shallow shot that would have left a pretty nasty surface wound, but pretty comfortable saying it would not reach the vitals. Maybe you don't believe me. Maybe you got your own beliefs, but do your research and find out some of this stuff on your own, and maybe it'll open your eyes just a little bit. Stay safe and keep firing.